Okay, now this this line is touching at the origin. So let me take this. Okay, uh, let me mark a point here. This is P. This is Q. Okay, now and what is this from here to here? What is the length here? Y. And what is the length of Q? X.
X.
Okay. Now tan theta is equal
X.
to how much? What is tan theta here? What is tan theta?
Sir, Y by X.
Tan theta means secondary slope. Slope means tan theta. Tan theta means y by x. Okay, directly you are writing y by x. Or another thing is y by x. Or another thing is slope general formula is y2 minus y1. Means general formula. I'm not writing this. This is see here we are considering this as x1 y1. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. I'll consider this. So what is the slope of this line then? What is the slope of this line? Y2 minus y1 means y minus 0 divided by x minus 0. That means y by x. So y is equal to mx. This is the gradient form of the equation of the straight line. So the equation of the straight line passing through means the equation. This is called gradient form. Gradient form of equation of straight line. Okay. Gradient form of equation of straight line. The equation of straight line of straight line having slope m and passing through 0, 0 is y is equal to y minus 0 is equal to m into x minus 0. Okay, na? Y is equal to mx. That's the thing. It's directly we can write y is equal to mx. Okay, passing through 0, 0. We don't need to write now this one. Actually, point form of the equation I need to say, then after this will come. Passing through origin, enough for that. Passing through having slope m and
Sir, from here also we can get, sir. Easily.
Just a minute. Let's say is missing here. We should say this passing through origin. Passing through origin is y is equal to mx. Got it? Just
yes, sir.
Note down this. Then I'll make you a little bit more clear. Now, suppose there is another straight line. Suppose say, okay, let's draw a coordinate axis now, like this. Okay, and there is another straight line I will draw. This straight line. This is another straight line. Okay, na? So this straight line is generally passing through x1 y1. Suppose this straight line it is passing through x1, y1, and take any point on this line. Passes, suppose this same, I take it any point randomly. This is x comma y. Okay, na? So now generally we don't need, I don't here generally the angle made with the positive x-axis, that is generally, this is theta. Already we got the slope of this line. The slope of this line m is equal to what? What is m? The here
Tan
the
theta.
equation of straight line, the equation of straight line uh, passing through where it is passing through x1, y1 and having slope m. This is called a slope point form of the equation. Okay, na? Slope point form of a equation. Slope point form of equation of straight line. This is the heading. Now try to understand this. Now, what is slope point form of the equation of straight line? So here m is equal to, so generally slope is m only. Na? Slope is m. M is equal to y minus y1. Y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 or not. If I'll draw this projection also, the same thing only you'll get. Tan theta is equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. So already we know that is the slope formula, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That formula only it keep. So y minus y1 is equal to m is equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. Now just transpose this one. M into x minus x1 is equal to what? Y minus y1. Got it? Therefore, the equation of
Yes.
straight line y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is
Got it.
this is the equation of straight line having slope m and passing through the point x1, y1. Right? Having slope m and passing through x1 and y1. Having slope m. Slope is m and passing through x1 and y1. That is the equation of the straight line. Y minus y1 is put m into x minus x1. This is the slope point form of the equation of straight line. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is 2 points form of equation of straight line. Let's try take 2 points form of equation of straight line. So 2 points form of equation of straight line means what? So here what I need to find out is the equation of straight line which is passing through means the equation of straight line passing through x1, y1 and x2, y2. What is the equation of the straight line passing through? First of all, tell me, what is the slope of this line? If it is passing through, slope of this line. Slope formula. Can you tell me what is the slope formula? Before I told slope we got the
x1
formula.
minus x2 by y1 minus y2.
Slope formula we got. Here, this one. Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the slope formula, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means, what can I write here? M is equal to what? What is M is equal to?
y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1.
Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Got it? Now, this M, put it here. Now, therefore, y minus y1 is equal to M value what? Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 whole into x minus x1. Got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
So this is the 2 points form of a equation of straight line. Got it? Next thing is
Yes.
we have to get 2.4 over slope point form I told 2.4 over and gradient form is slope and origin. Now we will go through slope and y-intercept form of equation. Means suppose
Sir,
huh,
sir, Rakshit is saying no, sir, in the chat.
okay, but see, first of all, you need to follow first. See, there are three things. Whenever I'm saying teaching any IIT foundation concept, the first three things you have to follow. That is, accept. Whatever I'm saying, you have to accept it first. Then apply. Then we have to analyze. Analysis at last we have to do. Since Rakshit Watner, he didn't attend the core trigonometry classes. So in trigonometry, we applied here. From there onwards, he won't understand. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. Rakshit, understand? Try
Sir,
to
this
understand
you
this.
have told,
See,
sir, basics of
yes,
trigonometry.
basic. Opposite side by adjacent side. Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Opposite side. This here we got the slope m. Okay, na? Then I told how a equation of straight line will be. Generally, equation of straight line will be in the form of ax plus by plus c, where mod a mod plus mod b is equal to 0. So any point on this line you will take means it will give a straight line. It will give a straight line, and every straight line is represented by equation x plus y is equal to 5. That equation only we are trying to find here, right? Now I told this is the angle between the two lines. Angle between the two lines means general tan A minus B formula we need to remember. So what is tan A minus B formula generally? What is tan A minus
Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B.
Tan A tan B. This one first you accept it. Since you didn't remember, you didn't follow this formula. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 is equal to tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 by 1 plus tan theta 2 tan theta 1. In the place of A, I wrote. So tan theta 1 means m1, tan theta 2 means m2. Already I told that tan of a angle of inclination is the slope. So m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. If two lines are perpendicular to each other, tan 90 degree you will get tan 90 degree value is more infinity. Infinity means 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to you will get 0. That is only now 1 plus m1 m2 you got 0, and product of the slopes non-vertical lines is -1. Then it is a perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular to each other. If they are parallel, then the angle between them is 0. So if their slopes are equal, then they are parallel to each other. And the equation of straight line I told. Equation of straight line, if it is passing through the origin, if it is passing through the, this is x-axis, xo, x dash, this is yo, y dash. If it is passing through the origin, the slope, the equation of the straight line is y is equal to mx. Now we got the equation of straight line is if it is passing through origin, y is equal to mx. Now the slope point form of the equation. If slope is m and point is x1 y1, so m is equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. The slope formula directly you put y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, right? Then after 2 points form of the equation. 2 points form of the equation, here we are putting y2 m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right? Let's follow. Let's proceed little bit forward now. Now, what we need to find is the slope and y-intercept form of equation now. Slope, this is m, and y-intercept form of equation. Y-intercept is c, form of equation of straight line. First of all, what is slope and y-intercept form of equation? That we have to follow one, right? Now, see the equation of straight line. The equation of straight line having slope. So every equation of a straight line will have a slope is m. Okay, now and intersects y at y-axis at 0, c. Actually, c is called y-intercept. Suppose see how it is intersected. So let me coordinate axis first. Okay, now I'll draw a
Okay.
straight line now. Straight line. The straight line. Okay. So the angle made with respect to the positive x-axis is tan theta. Now see where it is intersecting at y-axis is, that is 0, c. 0, c. Okay, now you know that the equation of straight line having slope m and passing through x1 y1 means y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, if you are taking x1 0 y1 c, then what it becomes? If I substitute x1 is 0 y1 c, then what will you get? What you will get?
Sir, what you have written here?
This is 0, c. The point it is passing through this equation of straight line is passing through
0,
0, c.
c, sir.
Yes, this y-intercept is c. It is intersecting at c. C distance away from the origin. Got it or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, 0 minus c.
0 minus c means down it is there, means 0 minus c. So what I'm saying is, you will put it,
3
this is
minus
x1,
0.
y1 is, no. So listen here. Here I have put the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Here already you know that m slope is already given m, so slope is m only. Now the x1 is 0, y1 is c. That one I told to substitute. If you substitute, what will you get? Y minus c is
C
equal to m into x minus
0
0. So y minus c is equal to what?
mx.
Mx. C bring this side, then what will you get? Y is equal to, so this
Mx
is
plus
slope and y intercept form of the equation, where m is called the slope. See here, m is the slope, right? M is the slope and c is the y intercept. Got it? Slope and y intercept form of the equation of straight line. Let's see the intercept form of equation of straight line. Intercept form of equation of straight line. Now, intercept form of equation of got it? Intercept form of equation of straight line. Yes. Intercept form of equation of straight line means suppose I'll just write the equation of straight line. The equation of straight line passing through. Okay, find the equation of straight line. We are trying to find the equation of straight line here, right? So find the equation of straight line passing through find the equation of straight line having x-intercept is a and x-intercept is a, right? And y-intercept is b. So x-intercept a, he is saying y. Now tell me, what is x-intercept and y-intercept? So let's see once. See carefully, all
Sir,
of you.
what is intercept?
That only I'm saying. Let's just see carefully. That's what I'm saying. To see carefully first. So now I'll join. This is a coordinate axis, right? Now let me keep the arrows for this. Yeah, this is x, o. Both the x-axis and the y-axis intersecting each other at the origin. This is x dash, this is y, and this is y dash, right? Now there is a straight line passing through like this. Let me try straight line.
Sir, what is written after straight line?
Okay, what is written after straight line? Right. This one?
Yes, sir.
So find the equation of straight line having x-intercept a and y-intercept is
Okay.
b. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now see, this is this line, this straight line is there now. This is L line. Take means this point. It is intersecting x-axis at a,
Sir, what
y-axis
is
at
x intercept?
b. Yeah, that is what I'm saying. I'm coming to there. So from here to here, where it is intersecting at x-axis, that is called x-intercept. That is A. Here to here, where it is intersecting at y-axis, that is called B. That means in what is the coordinate of A? Tell me. What is the coordinate of A?
Sir, 0,
Anybody?
x comma 0,
No. Here I'm saying this is A.
a
What is the
comma 0,
coordinate of?
a is
Yeah,
comma
very
0,
good. A comma 0. Right. Now, what is the coordinate of B then?
b com 0 comma b,
Very good. Now, what is the 2 point form of equation? Now only we learn. What is the 2 point form of equation?
mx plus c is equals to y.
No, no, no. 2 point form of equation of straight line. Now only I told. This is the two form of it. 2 points form of equation of straight line. Next one, if its straight line is passing through x1, y1 and x2, y2, the equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 by a whole into x minus x1, right? That only we will write here. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 whole into x minus x1. Here you need to change, you need to substitute in the place of x1 y1 a comma 0. Y1 x1 is a, y1 is 0. Here in the place of x2 y2, x2 is equal to 0 you have to put, y2 is equal to b you have to put. Now tell me, now rewrite the equation of straight line now. Now rewrite the equation of straight line. Tell me, what should I write? Y minus y, as usually y and x you
0
won't change,
minus
you should not
0,
substitute. Y minus 0, right? Y1 means 0 is equal to y2 minus y1. Y2 is b, b minus 0, x2 minus x1, 0 minus a
d,
whole into x minus x1, x minus x minus
a.
a. This is minus a is there, minus a, bring this side,
This
minus a
one,
y it becomes. This b is there, bx minus, just a minute, bx minus ab. Now we'll transfer this side, bx plus ay is equal to minus ab, will bring this side, this becomes ab. Okay, now divide both sides with ab. Now ab, ab, ab. Then what will you get? B cancels, a cancels, ab cancels. Therefore, what you will get the equation of straight line? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the equation of intercept form of the equation of straight line. Got it?
yes, sir.
Got it? Got it, Rakshit? Try to understand, Nana. Okay, now see one thing. So now we got all the equation of straight line. Now let's come back to our the general form of equation of straight line. What? Let's come back to the general form of equation of straight line. Equation of straight line. So what is the general form of equation of straight line? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of the equation of straight line. Got it?
Sir, sir, general form means what? Generally, it will
That
be.
only. Generally, any equation of straight line is represented by say x plus by plus c is equal to 0, where mode a plus mode b should not be equal to 0. So now with general form of equation of straight line, I gave the one example. We got x plus y is equal to, I told, where is it?
Sir, in
Here,
previous
ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 5, I took, and you will get the some coordinate points. You will put it on this line. All the points will be lying on this straight line. All those points, any point. So every point, any point you'll take, this will satisfy this equation. This is the general equation of the general form of the equation of straight line. So every straight line in a coordinate system will be represented by a equation, and that's it. That equation will be in this form: ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, from this, I want you to find out what is slope of the line. So if I write by is equal to, means ax, I bring this side, minus ax minus c. Y is equal to what then? Minus ax by b minus c by b. That means y is equal to minus a by b whole into x plus minus c by b. So this is in the form of what? This is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Now here, therefore, here m is equal to what? Tell me, what is m? If you compare this, minus a by b, na? So slope of a line, slope of this line, this equation gives the slope. Slope of this line is minus a by b. Okay, na? Slope
Okay.
of this line is m is equal to minus a by b. You will get minus of x coefficient divided by y coefficient, means m is equal to minus of x coefficient by y coefficient. Okay, na? C is equal to what then? C is equal to,
Sir, C is equals to minus C by B, this term.
yes, C means y-intercept. Y-intercept is minus C by B. Okay, na? Got it?
Okay.
That means any equation of straight line is in this form, minus A by B. Now, first, one thing I want to say. Here, one thing is, the equation of straight line of straight line parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and passing through x1 comma y1. See how it came. I will say that is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 is equal to 0. Got it? Just a minute. I have to down. Just a minute. Okay. So parallel to this is one point. So another point I have to say. So the equation of straight line passing through parallel to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and parallel to ax plus by plus c, parallel to ax plus by plus c, and passing through x1 y1 is a into x1 a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 is equal to 0. That is one thing. Another thing, the equation of straight line, the equation of straight line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and passing through x1 y1 is, what will you say? This is b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 is equal to 0. How it came, I will say. So this is another thing. So next, one more point is there. First of all, tell me what is the equation of x-axis? What is the equation of x-axis? The equation of line parallel to x-axis, parallel to x-axis, and k unit from it, and k unit from it is how much? See, the equation, this is the equation of straight line. If I take a line here which is parallel to x-axis and k unit away from it, so this is k. So that means that this equation of straight line is nothing but y is equal to k. Is
Y
y is
equals
equal to k. Next, another point is there here. The equation of straight line, the equation of line perpendicular to, sorry, not parallel, parallel to y-axis, we say, not perpendicular, parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y